Hello, who is here?
Madam, and I got something for them
Ooh,
from
what is
Diptyque. It's
this?
the city candle. They launched it yesterday. The Milan city
Ah,
candle.
nice.
Yeah, so
Exclusive.
exclusive.
Yeah, yeah.
So
We're
I got,
unbox it for you guys.
yeah, we're going to unbox it
And where are
together.
we at?
We're at Anki Bistro.
Yeah, and then here's Sebastian. Hi. Let's. What are you having, baby?
It's the city candle, and we're going to unbox it later. And this is
Yeah, Lunar New Year.
the drinks that they ordered.
Yay! $88. Hey.
Okay, what are we having?
The huh? Yeah, we're still
Today
okay.
is the 12th.
No, today is the 12th, so we're okay.
So we have the $88 off certificate we got last time, and
Yes.
we're going to use that today because it's expiring on the 20, no, on the 15th of this month, and today is the 12th.
What do we?
So we want we want to avail that. Why not, right?
Yeah,
Okay, that's why we're here.
and this is what we're going to have. It's a mocktail. It's a lychee cloud.
Okay, I'm probably gonna
Taste it first,
order.
and then yeah, if
Cause
you like it.
no, I'll order it.
But this one doesn't have any alcohol, ha? Ta-da! This is what we're having.
We can ask them later.
It's a lychee
So
cloud, refreshing
I know.
blend of lychee, coconut, pineapple, and a hint of yuzu and rose water.
Hello.
I want to see the
Here,
baby. What is this?
this is Cow Panda Symphony. The plush,
Oh, oh, cute.
the plush pendant.
Did you
I
did
think
you dress
mine.
it up or it's
No,
dressed up
it's already
already
dressed up,
with the ribbon
and
on
I
it?
think it's like
Thank you.
$28. That's why it's expensive.
Oh,
Yeah.
oh wow! It's like a really nice quality one, like
Yeah, yeah,
porcelain.
yeah.
That's why. Pick it up, baby. Let's show it to the.
It's
I know.
heavy, just like the.
Ta-da! Oh
What bag
wow!
are you guys have? Huh?
We have the same one,
You have the same, and then the
and then I have my
Birkin.
Birkin. Ta-da!
Oh, there you go. I have my little thing too.
Yeah, and then
Oops,
Sebastian's bag is
careful.
the Speedy Feet P9.
Yeah, so this is
Yay!
the bag for today.
Yes,
And
the bag for the
let me see
day.
your bag, please.
And then
The same
here's
bag
my
last time.
bag.
The P9,
And
and
this is
of
my
course the
bag.
Birkin 35. So this is
So
my LV Sarah wallet, and I purchased the insert from Imir Luxury Collection. Use my code MM10 for
there you
10%
go.
off. Okay, so there's an insert. So
Ah,
it looks like the Felici,
yeah.
like the wallet on chain. So you put the chain
Oh,
like this. Where's the
how long
other
is the
end?
chain? Oh, that's so cool.
Very long for me. I chose the longest because I usually do, crossbody.
Uh huh.
Or you can double it up so it's like
Did you just
shoulder.
got this? The
No, I uploaded
no,
the
this
video.
one.
This, the wallet,
No,
the chain. I shared it already.
oh,
You probably didn't
I need to
notice.
catch up.
Huh?
I need to catch up. Ah,
Here.
so now it's kind of like a Pelisi.
Yes. Oops. Right there.
Oh, nice. There you go. There's how it looks like. Nice.
Go
Let's
together.
see. Ta-da! Oh yeah, sorry.
Okay. Smile.
Go go
Go,
go.
go, go. So that's the city candle.
What is it? What
Um,
is it?
it's
It's
the newest city candle from Diptyque. Diptyque is made in France.
oh, this is the
Yay!
one that you have here.
Oh, is this the no? Oh, the rose. Okay. So we're going to exchange.
Let me see.
Okay, we have
Oh, nice.
Yeah, Rogelio wrapped it beautifully. It comes with two samples.
Samples.
Ay!
This is our second diptyque, and then this is the second one candle from Madame too.
Oh,
So all
yeah.
our diptychs are from Madame.
Of course. We love Diptyque.
Yay!
Yay! Let's see,
What is it?
let's
Let me
see.
see.
Yay!
Oh wow,
Wow,
Milano. Hold on,
Milan.
let me
I
take a
didn't
picture
get
of
the
it.
Paris because you can always get the Paris
Maybe
version
look at here.
of
Look at
City
there we
Candle
go.
because
Nice.
it's only available at
Ah, yeah,
at
yeah,
the
yeah.
city.
Let's smell it.
Yeah, I didn't smell the
Ah,
scent
this
of
one
the
yet?
Milan. I was in a hurry. I was just filming and you know.
Thank you, Madame. You're so
You're
sweet.
welcome.
What's
Oh,
it, what
I
was the
didn't
first
get.
one that you gave us?
It's the Bay candle.
Bacon.
It's the bigger one. It's like the medium size
Uh huh.
actually, like next size
Oh,
of the
nice.
regular one.
Don't drop it.
Yay!
Let's see.
Ooh, how nice! Very very pretty.
Oh
I
wow,
love
I
it.
love it.
What's
Smell
the
it. What's the smell?
scent? I didn't even know the scent.
Let me see. It smells good. I'm just gonna. Let's
Okay,
see.
so that's the. I'm gonna show. Maybe you can show this, then we can exchange later.
Yeah.
The. Yeah, you can open it, but we're gonna exchange because those are roses. I don't think roses is meant
Thank
for you.
you.
Thank you so much.
Ah.
What is this one? The ooh rose, right? Yeah, there. Ooh
Oh.
rose. Ooh rose.
Yeah.
Rose.
Oh, rose water.
Yeah. Oh, that's eau de toilette. Eau de toilette. If it's white, it's eau de toilette.
Ah.
EDT. The black one is EDT. Yeah. That one
There's
is
another one.
that one is the newest perfume.
Oh, eau de parfum.
Uh-huh. Eau de
Oh,
parfum.
this is a stronger one.
Uh-huh. Okay.
Nice.
I am
And Madame's
my
turn.
turn.
Maybe
Can you
take care
do
of.
you we might exchange. We'll see. Okay. All right.
What do you have today?
Diptyque candle, city candle. They just launched city candle yesterday. It's only available from April 11th to the 21st, I think, of this month.
Oh wow.
So I was in a hurry to get my hands on this Milan. Milan is the new city candle. They have a total of 12 city candles now. I hope my mic is on. Okay. So yeah, so they have 12 city candles available at the store, but hurry up because um,
It's limited time.
It's sold. They sell very fast. Okay, I have. What is this? Ah, Uros and oh, this one is good. You should get this. Okay, these are the samples, and this is the city candle. Rogelio, shout out to you. Thank you so much. He's so nice. He's my new friend at Diptyque. Aside from Sonia. Hi, Sonia. There you go. This is Milan.
Nice. The packaging is
Yeah,
nice.
this is the 12 city candle.
And
Okay.
you said you have most of it or all of it?
All
Oh,
of it.
all of it.
Yeah. Because I
All of them.
collected since I think pandemic. I started
Ah.
with Beverly Hills and then they
Oh.
had the Paris and London and then the following year they have everything and then of course I have to get everything and then every year they have
A different one. A
they
different city.
launch different cities.
Nice.
Okay, so oh my god, I can't smell anything. I think you're gonna love Paris more.
Oh,
Yeah, but you should get it. This one, I don't know. What's the scent? Doesn't have any scent.
we will read this one later.
Or maybe I have so many fragrance right now.
Yeah,
I'm wearing a
it's
lot of fragrance.
clashing.
I can't smell anything, but it's good to collect this. Okay, that's
Yay,
it
yay,
for the
yay.
city
Thank you, thank
candle.
you.
Stay tuned for my city candle collection. I'm going to
Hmm.
post another video, separate video about it. Thank you.
So we have a
Okay.
shaken beef, and then the noodle,
Okay.
and then the uh, roasted chicken
Uh huh.
with rice.
All
Is there a
right.
rice?
Yeah, there is.
That one,
Behind
baby.
me. Oh, this hi. Mhm. All right.
We went to Louis Vuitton and the sales associate showed us the Louis Vuitton Speedy P918 in Ostrich. This red bag cost $14,000. They also showed us the different sizes of P9. As you can see here, it is the 40 and then go back to the 18, I should say. This is a really gorgeous bag. And then comparison of the 25 and 40. So we had a really rare opportunity to see all the P9s in all its sizes. So we were thankful on that particular day. And this is the nice color too, and this is all black that they have. We had a blast that day.
Hello. Thank you very much for watching.
Madam.
And Carlo, we'll see you again in the next video. We love you all. Do not forget to subscribe to
Madam.
and Carlo and Seb. We'll see you again.
Bye.